What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. As you guys can see, we're back at it again. We got Kevin back there. We're actually heading over to do a quick little video for you guys. Maybe not that quick, these videos do take a bit of time. But we're actually gonna head out and get this exhaust comparison done. He has the M4 GTS, and as you guys can see, I'm in the G80 right now. So recently I went ahead and I did the downpipes on this. So I recently did the downpipes on the G80, and unfortunately I was a little how can I say this? I was a bit disappointed at the sound. I mean, it sounds great, don't get me wrong, you guys. You know, the exhaust sounds really good. It sounds really mean. It has a nice deep tone to it, but this car does have so many restrictors. It has 4 resonators and 2 more secondary cats. So honestly, you guys know with that much restrictions, the car is not going to really sound the way it should sound from, you know, just the engine and exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick little comparison of what these exhaust tones sound like. So we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a little sound clips comparison between the M3 F82 M4 GTS and the G80 M3 comp. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this $8,000 exhaust. I know, like I said, I'm really anxious to really get a good clip of this exhaust. Look what we have there. The G80 M3 and the GTS. As you guys can see, Kevin's in the background right now. We're gonna compare the exhaust. As you guys know, I have the M Performance exhaust. That is an option on the G80 M3 now, and Kevin has the GTS exhaust, which is a very close comparison to my M Performance exhaust. That one's also full titanium. So I definitely wanted to get a good sound clip of the cars. I just recently went ahead and installed the downpipes at NV Automotive. Michael and Leor, they were awesome to let me go ahead and go out to the shop. The downpipes are ARM downpipes that I got at West Coast Euros. Now these are just going to be temporary. I just wanted to get a good sound clip to give you guys a little bit of what the exhaust sounds like in its true form. Right now I do have a check engine light. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not running any kind of tune on the car at the moment, so that's something I definitely don't like. So that's one of the reasons why I'm saying this is just gonna be a temporary modification. I want to give you guys some content, let you guys listen to this beautiful exhaust. It looks amazing, it's definitely unique, and I just want to go ahead and share this with you guys. So in a bit, we're going to go ahead and get ready. I'll pick up the camera once we're going to go ahead and start doing the rev comparison. So right now, Kevin went ahead and just talked about a little bit about the exhaust. You guys are gonna go ahead. If you guys want to hear a little bit more about this comparison, go to his channel, see what, go out there and listen to what the exhaust sounds like. Again, he's giving you guys a different perspective, different microphone on the camera. So if you guys are thinking about doing downpipes or getting an exhaust system, this is gonna be one of the best ways for you guys to get the sound clips. So again, this is the more traditional exhaust. And this is the new style that BMW came out with for the G80 platform. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the clips. So go ahead and, sorry guys.
All right guys, here we go. Hey, what about your mic? Is it good?
Yeah.
It'll capture the.
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. Just want to make sure. All right, go for it. Jeez. All right, that was efficient, guys. So now he's gonna go, I think, Sport Plus, I think it is. All right. That just sounds good. Damn. Jeez. Bro, that shit sounds good. I like how it's so much toned down, it's deeper. It sounds so much better now that they did that. Like they've totally like changed it.
The
like
tone,
on ours,
right?
Yeah, bro, way better.
Yeah.
Not overly like just in time, G.
Well, honestly, I'm kind of used to the S55 sound. I feel like this is just a little too quiet. Yeah, it sounds good, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it's just a little too quiet compared to the S55.
Yeah. Oh, G80. Should have told him to pull up.
I know, right? We need another exhaust. Alright, guys, so I think Kevin, you want to go ahead and jump in?
For sure, alright.
Alright.
Gonna take over. I don't have anything, everything's disconnected. Remember, you disconnected the valve?
Yeah.
So it's just gonna be loud.
So Kevin and I are running pretty much almost the same setup. Since I do have the Daler valves, pretty much just kind of leaves it open. So right there, I believe that the valves are going to be closed. Ready. I believe that was efficient. Damn, you guys, this thing is way louder for sure. Way louder.
Is it?
Yeah, I even had to back up just a little bit because I didn't want the sound to get cut off, you know? So, guys, compared, big difference. Guys, I feel like this is just too quiet. I think the next thing I need to do in order for me to possibly make this exhaust sound a little bit better is I need to get a mid-pipe. So if anyone's watching, guys, I need a mid-pipe. Any companies that you guys recommend, or if any companies are watching this video right now, let me know. I'm definitely interested in running a nice mid-pipe to open up the sound of this beautiful exhaust. Now again, this is the M Performance exhaust. It's an $8,000 option that comes with the diffuser. This whole diffuser part comes with the exhaust. Pretty much I just went ahead and added a few more carbon fiber components on there, but very subtle, very clean. I love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this sound clip. Again, big shout out to Kevin for bringing out the GTS and giving you guys a nice little comparison. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. Do you guys like the new stock setup on the G80s, or would you guys prefer the more traditional exhaust?